Welcome to the Ad Agency AI Chatbot Preview. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how businesses explore marketing solutions and grow their brand, making their journey strategic, guided, and completely effortless. The conversation begins with a warm welcome message followed by a set of standard industry options. These options can be fully customized to match the specific services and requirements of any advertising or marketing agency. When a user asks about ad agency services, the chatbot instantly presents a list of available services, such as advertising campaigns, branding, digital marketing, social media management, and creative strategy. Once the user selects a particular service, the chatbot collects some basic information about the business, including the company name, products or services offered, any specific idea or theme, and the target audience. Based on this information, the bot provides detailed insights about the selected service and how it can help achieve the brand's marketing goals. If the user wishes to explore service packages, the chatbot displays a complete overview of all available packages along with the services included in each plan. After selecting a package, the chatbot presents a short questionnaire to gather important campaign details such as preferred marketing platforms, target audience, approximate budget, and marketing goals. Once the request is submitted, the chatbot confirms that the inquiry has been successfully received and shares an acknowledgement message along with the next steps in the process. With intelligent conversation flow and guided interactions, this ad agency AI chatbot helps businesses discover services, explore packages, and initiate marketing campaigns, all through a single, seamless conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and you click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Ad Agency AI Chatbot Template Installation Process and Flow Builder Overview.